Hello students. Now today we start our lesson number 10 from our grammar book, the conjunction. Now a conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. Conjunction एक ऐसा शब्द होता है जो दो शब्दों को या sentences को एक साथ जोड़ता है, जो join करने में help करता है. जैसे यहाँ पर आप कुछ sentences देखेंगे. Look at Raj and Riya. Raj is jumping and Riya is skipping. Is Raj jumping or skipping? Yeah, Raj is a boy but Riya is a girl. Here when the two sentences are positive, we join with and the one sentence is positive and one is negative, we join with but. Now Raj is a boy, so he plays football. Riya cannot go to school today because she is ill. Riya's brother is 5 years old and he goes to school every day. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर एंड और बट सो बिकॉज का यूज किस तरह से किया गया है. नाउ हियर इन दीज सेंटेंसेस द कंजंक्शंस आर प्रिंटेड इन कलर्ड टाइप. कलर्ड में जो वर्ड लिखे हुए हैं दे आर कंजंक्शंस. लाइक ही फेल्ड ऑल्दो ही वर्कड हार्ड. I told her plainly that I would not drink wine. I like Hemant because he is always cheerful. They were very fond of beer, bread and jam. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो यहाँ दो sentences है जिनको इन conjunction से join किया गया है. You will not catch the train unless you walk fast. We went to Kashmir and had a splendid time. We have not seen her since she was married. Make way while the sun shines. And ice cream is cold but tea is hot. And we shall not play the match if it rains. So here there are some uses of conjunctions. You see that the conjunctions are used for joining one sentence to another sentence. Study the following. Now by using and, अब and का हम यूज कैसे करते हैं. I shall go to बाजार. This one is first sentence. I shall bring you fruits. ये second sentence है कि मैं बाजार जाऊंगा और मैं वहां से fruits लाऊंगा. तो ये जब हम इसको combine करेंगे with the help of and, so the sentence become I shall go to बाजार and bring you fruits. मैं बाजार जाऊंगा और वहां से फल लाऊंगा तुम्हारे लिए. Now he sells bananas, he sells grapes. कंबाइन करने पर he sells bananas and grapes because he is doing the same work. Now by using but का यूज कैसे करेंगे. रोहन goes to school, अनु stays at home. रोहन स्कूल जाता है, अनु घर पे रहती है. जब हम इसको कंबाइन करेंगे तो रोहन goes to school but अनु stays at home. One sentence is positive and one is negative, so we join with but. Ashu worked hard and he did not win the prize. Ashu worked hard. आशु ने कड़ी मेहनत की लेकिन उसने प्राइज नहीं जीता. So Ashu worked hard but he did not win the prize. Now by using or, else, otherwise, unless. अब और का, else का, otherwise और unless का यूज हम कैसे करेंगे. Work hard, you will fail in the examination. तो work hard or you will fail in the examination. कड़ी मेहनत करो या एग्जाम में आप फेल हो जाओगे. और इसको कैसे बना सकते हैं. वर्क हार्ड एल्स यू विल फेल इन द एग्जामिनेशन. वर्क हार्ड अदरवाइज यू विल फेल इन एग्जामिनेशन. और अनलेस यू वर्क हार्ड, अगर आप कड़ी मेहनत नहीं करोगे, यू विल नॉट पास द एग्जामिनेशन, तो आप एग्जामिनेशन में पास नहीं होगे. नाउ हियर बाय यूजिंग सो, देयरफॉर, बिकॉज, एज, सिंस. अब सो, देयरफॉर, बिकॉज, एज और सिंस का यूज कैसे करेंगे. इट इज रेनिंग, आई कैन नॉट गो टू स्कूल. कि बारिश हो रही है और मैं स्कूल नहीं जा सकते. सो कैसे बनेगा. इट इज रेनिंग, देयरफॉर आई कैन नॉट गो टू स्कूल. आई कैन नॉट गो टू स्कूल बिकॉज इट इज रेनिंग. एज इट इज रेनिंग, आई कैन नॉट गो टू स्कूल. एंड सिंस इट इज रेनिंग, आई कैन नॉट गो टू स्कूल. सो these are the conditions how we make the sentences by using so, therefore, because, as and since. Next is by using though, although and still. दो, although और still का use हम कैसे करेंगे? There are two sentences. He could not pass. He tired often. So he could not pass though he tired often. First sentence with the help of though. Although he tired often, he could not pass. And he tired often, still he could not pass. Now with the help of these examples, fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunction, take help from the help box. So here some words are given to us and with the help of these words we complete it. Now Mohit promised that he would finish his homework in evening. Second, it was the last day of school, so the children were enjoying. I like to play with Hemant because he is an honest boy. We have not seen her since she was married. And Preeti was present, but Ritu was absent. Second, circle the conjunctions in the following sentences. Now he failed although he worked hard. So in this sentence, although is a conjunction. Monica is a good girl because she works hard. Because he is slow but he does not make mistakes. But don't start moving until the light turns green. Until. And Dev is intelligent but careless. So students, your homework is to complete this exercise and read this chapter.